Send it. Jake, Joe, KT. What is up? What is up? There it is. There's a stream. All right, let's record this on YouTube too. YouTube. This is my last catch for NQ play. My entry was at 864.25, going for a long NQ. Should be a quick catch right here. My target is, mouse is in the way. Let me know if my music is too loud in the background as well. But my target for this is, well, you can take the target now if you want. It's money. I got a set limit at 910. Realistically, it's probably gonna be here. We can skim it here, but yeah, money. Jason, we're back. Hey, how is your day with your trades, Jason? How are your trades? Crowd slapped off for us. Crowd was a huge win, massive win on Crowd. Jane C, what's up, dude? How are you? Hi. I love everyone just jump in and leave. I'm like, you might just jump in, learn some, chill, hang out. Cephalo, thanks for the follow, brother. Just chilling. How are you? I'm good. We're making money today. That's all I care about. Just making money of you guys. It's end of day. We're chilling. We are chilling. I gotta move this stuff up. Locking that profit, guys. Especially my futures traders. Because you never know who does that. Was it too tight? Maybe. Hopefully not. Hopefully not. Oh, Jason, check out. I'm just gonna leave this in the background. But damn it, lost on lottos. Which one? Which one did you take? You did lottos? Lil? How you doing, Lil? But okay, that NQ just hit my stop loss profit. I'm good with that. I don't care. That's still green. Have you come back from a 1K loss in eval? Yeah. Lots of time. You do things slowly. But hold on, Jason, check out this one right here. A. Look up A. So we saw this giant flow. Let me bring it up. It was pretty nutty. Where is it? But I've done it. How much would you risk on a 50 val? Dude, don't risk that much. On a 50 val, you gotta trade your micros, do like MNQ, MES, and then just do level by level, line by line. You gotta take base hits, man. Shawty trades. What's up, dude? Base hits, Gavin. We don't go nutty here. Let me see. Are you doing NQ right now? Thanks for the follow, brother. Gotta be quick. I want to do another trade on NQ since you're here. What do you trade it with? What is your prop firm? Using Top Steps or who is the question, right? Who? I guess it doesn't really matter who. Okay. Can you trade on TradingView like directly, or do you have to go use Project X? I believe most people are on Project X. I think. Yep. Yeah, Project X isn't that bad. I like using TradingView to do all my trades. I'm supposed to show you something, Jason. Dude, check this out, Jay. This flow. The company's A, the ticker's A, $150 calls for September, right? It's still a long time. Someone spent 8 million on it. 8 mil. I do, Gavin. We do. I have a whole group of cool people in here. But yeah, we take it slow. We make it simple. We don't overcomplicate shit at all. But yeah, Jason, A, company's A, $150 calls for September. 8 million premium. The volume, 5,300 to 93 open interest. I follow that, Jason. So do as you will. Yeah, we teach. We'll show you. We can show you. Sorry about all these lines. This is nutty lines right now. But yeah. So the gist of our way of teaching of all trades, we just wait for levels. We only go for pullbacks. Of course, you should do that, right? When you're entering a trade, you always want to enter a trade on a pullback. When it pulls back to a certain level, and we use the Fibonacci levels almost on all of our trades, actually 99% of the trade. You have to, right? And then that's going to help with for support and resistance. And then you see these white things on the side. It looks like mountains and hilltops. Those are volume nodes. I use them for volume shelves to see when you can wait for the next level to hit the next step, or you want to wait for the lower step. So for example, let's see if this one has a bigger XRP. Courtney, I don't even trade that. But I can, wait, can I pull it up? If I can pull up my chart, I can read chart really well. I'm pretty legit at reading charts. We're talking about futures? No, not that one. Market cap, right? Am I looking at the wrong thing? That's the market cap. So I was right. Penny stocks, huh? Thanks for the follow, Nick. Oh, brother. Just from looking at this, can I see a better looking chart? Thanks for the follow, Cord. Okay, as long as it has lines, I can read lines. It's definitely on a pullback, and you have a volume shelf right here. If you're just trading this like penny stocks, like 1,000, I guess what do you say this? You just buy $1,000 worth. Here, just it's coming back to 216. I would smash some, like I would buy some here. Yeah, if it has lines, dude, I'm all about lines. Yeah, I would take this. I would say 215. Buy more. As long as 215 holds. But it's under that, you gotta sell them. You gotta dump them. It's a long hold, yeah. There's plenty of room, man. That's a crazy chart, by the way. I can't do penny stocks, man. 5 years from now, you good. Just add it and just chill, right? That's how it is with these stocks. You add them and just chill. All right, let's see what we have running. Shit, where's my NQ play? I was gonna enter an NQ play, by the way. Totally got sidetracked. If you're doing futures tonight, watch silver tonight, okay? We're gonna watch silver later tonight. I won't be on live, but I'll be on here trading silver tonight. Oh no, the baby's crying. Already? Courtney, you trading anything else? You just doing penny stocks, or what other things do you do? Damn, you're holding into 2030. I believe in you, man. And the price is not that bad. It's like not a lot, right? You just add $500 a week. Just watch that thing pop off one day, and you're golden. Intel's been good. I've been following that. I haven't touched any of that, but man, lunchtime's the baby time. Yeah, I just got on Hinge. I just want to see if I can catch a late day SPX play with the team. PayPal. Jason, PayPal trade might work. Might work. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Oh, you're holding on to those babies for a while. Intel's a name you just collect. Nvidia's a name you collect. I got a bunch of ETF in my Roth. Got SPY. I got VOO. Just collect them. Exactly. Thanks, Jason. I love your support, man. You're always on here. I love it. Always chat with you. Vibe. See what you're trading too. Courtney, you're a genius, man. I should have started like my portfolio a long time ago. I just added stocks or like at least ETFs, right? And let them like go. Jay, you see that 113 kiss that we talked about this morning with crowd? Kissed it, rejected, pull back. I don't miss. You give me a chart, I add one line, and I can just read it out for you. I'll give you levels for entries and exits. Here's a good pullback, Jay, if you're trying to get into this trade later. Most of the work was already done. So that's the resistant level we got to clear to 485, 484, 45. Clear that, then we'll clear the 113 daily. Clear that 113 daily, we're good. How do you read this, Courtney? A lot of back testing, just reading charts every day. Been doing this for, let's say, 5 years, right? 5 years. Learn it the hard way, man. Learn it the hard way. You got to lose money to learn. That's the thing with trading. You got to lose money to learn. Is it working? Definitely. Absolutely working. How do you trade, Courtney? That's my question for you. How do you find your stocks or the names that you're in? What makes you want to buy them? That's what I want to know from you. What makes you buy your tickers or your option contracts? I want to learn that from you guys and know what you guys are working with. Do I trade full time, Jason? No, I am. Well, technically, right? I work remote. I have a corporate job. I work remote. This ticker is crowd, brother. Are you in? Did you trade crowd today? No, I work. I say I trade part time, but I make full time money. If that makes sense to you, you know what I mean. Eventually, I just want to trade full time. Just hang out on like live stream and hang out with people all day and just talk, and just chat my Discord. Oh, thanks for bringing me back to NQ. I was waiting for an entry. Thanks for the reminder, brother. Yeah, work remote is great. I missed a short. Everything's pointing short. I should have shorted right here at that level right here. Yeah, the guys were calling out shorts in the room, and I was just chatting on here. Short right here. Boom. Test, retest. Very good. I am waiting for an entry level though. Let me see. It's my 7 minutes. I am gonna set a limit buy right here. We're under 113, so we're gonna be a short for a moment. I want to see a nice bounce off the pre-market low. TP, stop loss slightly under that. There's my limit buy for NQ if anybody want to paper trade that. Right there. Let's see if it drops down that far. How do you know it's going short? These lines, they look crazy to you, right? But yeah, these lines. Let me remove a bunch of these stuff so you can't see anything. Can I just hide everything? Hide all. That helps, right? Cool. To make it simplest, bro, to do simple like look on here, Courtney. I'm sorry if I called you a bro and you're like a lady, or I'm sorry, but I don't know if you're a guy or a girl. To make it simple, if you're looking at a chart and you're like, can you visualize the channel? What the fuck? Oh. And if you can create a channel and visualize it, if it's going down, it's a short. Okay, cool. Thanks, Courtney. Just to make sure. And then if it's going up, it's a long, right? So that's the most simplest way I can like tell people what new traders. Long, short. You can ride this short channel all the way down. I want to delete this channel. I want to delete some of this stuff so you can actually see what the heck am I doing. So right now I have a limit buy at my opening orb low level, which is at 820-ish. I want to see an also confluence with the lower channel band. It's a little bit low. I gotta move it up. I want to play it here. My stop loss is slightly underneath of that. I do trade. Yeah, when I'm on live, I'll trade real time. Yeah, we trade real time all the time in the Discord, so we're always like talking non-stop. If it's not me, if it's one of if it's not me chatting away, it's one of the other our leaders. So let's see if I can catch this one. Yeah, we're clearing the downtrend, Max. Both ways, right? So I can do. I'll set a limit here. I'll scalp it quickly. I'll scalp it here. So if I'm right, we'll get it filled. I'll probably touch the orb low right here. It'll be a quick red. And then I want to see a nice bounce back up to the orb high. Wait, what are we buying? What are we doing? Shit, did I miss something? Did you post something somewhere? Oh my God, repeat what you said. I don't know what you bought. Brittany, thanks for the follow. Thank you for the like, buy now, target $10. What are we getting, dude? Son of a bitch. Did I miss something? What up, Father Billy? 5 years. Almost 6 years, I guess. If I'm doing my math, I know, my math way off. 2019 to like now. I'll just say 6 years, right? I kind of full-time. Yeah, technically full-time. But I have a remote job. I do both. I do options and futures. Right now, I just want to catch his dip buy. I just need one more trade to lock out the account. Let's see if this hits. Max, let's see if this hits. Oh, Father Billy, what do you do? Filming, what do you do? You guys trade as well? All my options are good right now. I trade, yeah. What do you, are you doing options or? Nice. How was your day today? Did you catch crowd? Crowd gave us a good run. 110% on crowd today. Microsoft, I didn't catch Microsoft. All right, Max, let's see. We get a nice bounce. If we don't, then I'll lose $200. I'm okay. I got a good buffer. Let's see. Mm, 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 mm. Every time I want to check the 7 minutes, it goes to 7 hours. I can't click. I can't read apparently. Mm. Nice. Confluence of 200 EMA right here. Let's see. White Ranger OS. Dude, that's a good name. Thanks for the follow. Nice, man. Microsoft has been good. Like it's a love and hate for me for Microsoft. Same thing with Amazon. To be honest with you, those two names, love and hate. Let me draw some lines over here. The software I'm looking at right now, this is TradingView. It's a browser site too. I'm trying to learn trading also, working with AI now. Like working with AI to trade, or you're working with AI as like a job work. Dude, I wish AI can just like tell us what to do, but I don't trust AI and money. My trades, my strategy. I do my Discord with 5 top traders. 7. Sorry. We just collected someone. We just added someone to the team. He's legit. He's a gamma freak. He worked on this chart tool thing that's been like working really well with our system. But yeah, we have a solid team going on right now. And like 3 of you guys jumped on today, like applied for it. Appreciate you guys. All right, Max. Let's see. Just bounce. Any other spots available? What concepts do I use? Honestly, a mix of everything. I rarely look at the fair value gap or the ICT. I just use the Fibonacci, the 113 line and the 200 line. That's all I use. Max, I hope you caught this little quick bounce for a scalp. Tesla was fun. We can trade Tesla any day, every day. If it's a short day, just shorten. Dave, what concepts do you use? We try to make it as simple as possible when we trade. As simple as possible. Like there are a bunch of concepts right here. Here's our futures team. Oh, let's see if it hits. I want to see this NQ move back up to the opening range high, the orb high, which is around 844. Let's see if it hits. Yeah, we got supply and demand, VWAP, ICT. It's a mixture of everything, right? We pick out the best of like each part, and then we mesh it together. As long as the thing is like strategies and concepts, just use what is best for you. Just do what is best for you. Come on, give me a better pop. So that popped near 838. Yep, that's the 382 level on the fib level I had for the 30-minute candle. So another fun thing, Dave. So later on tomorrow, like today, if you want back test this, fib the first 30 minutes of opening, and see how you do on that. So back test today, and practice, and then just learn. I'm pretty sure you already know it. You too, follow David. Follow Billy. I'm sorry. Yeah, follow Billy. Yeah, click on my link in my profile here, and then just apply. We got spots. It's opening up. I'm opening up for like 30 people. We're opening up for like 30 people. And then if you like to stay in it. If you don't find us like good or great or it's working out, just bounce. Spud, what's up, bud? Spud? For the bounce? Yeah. Max, you still in here? Did you catch this one, Max? I know you were shorting it on the way down, which is great. We could have traded both ways, to be honest with you, this move. So here's what I was talking like earlier. Courtney, you see that channel bounce I was talking about? Like you can literally play this channel like all the way down. Like at the top, sell it at the bottom long. At the top, sell it at the bottom long. So I keep it simple. That's just another thing. Dave, simple, simple channels, simple fib. That's all I care about. And then for options, at the end of the day, we just jump on option flow and see what's flowing, so we can catch an overnight swing, or like the next day buy. We got so many brains. It's awesome in here because I don't catch everything all the time. There we go. Let's see. Let's see if this hits, Courtney. I did the entry. Told you the entry. My exit. It better hit. My concept, Father Billy, is I use the 4-hour candle. I use the Fibonacci. I use the 113 EMA and the 200 EMA. Like all this other stuff in the background, I really don't even really use them much. Like I can close that. ICT, those sort of fair value gap, right? Yeah. Like if you just give me like 3 indicators I can use all day, just give me the Fibonacci and the EMAs, and I can make money off of them. Because when you look at charts, when you study this long enough, you can see like supplies and demand zones, right? You don't have to like need an indicator for that. Just by the way the wicks are showing up, your candles. Yeah, Courtney, I'm always here. Ping me if you need help. Ask questions. I love good questions. I hate when people show up and like, hey, let me see your payout. I'm like, is that gonna help you trade, bro? Dude, I'll ask you the same question. Like, is my payout gonna help you trade better? Like, you get anyone like asking that? Like, you guys trade like the streamers? Like the first thing I check on like TikTok streams, other streamers, they're like showing off their like payout emails and stuff. I'm like, how's that gonna help me trade, bro? Fuck. Show me something educational. Courtney, can you send me the info? Yeah, just click on my profile. I got a bunch of links in there. Or you just DM me in my profile. We're pretty chill. Bunch of chill guys. The funny part is that we were all in a different Discord, like a really big one that's like advertised like the best and shit. Like he didn't teach anything. We're like, we're out of here, Bounce. The fuck? Like didn't teach anything. Just sold alerts. That's what Discords are for. They sell alerts for retail traders. I need one more pop on this move. On this NQ move. Sneaky little bitch. Oops. So we could have taken money out on this trade like 2 times already. I just want my target hit. That's it. And thank you for all the likes and follows, guys. Appreciate you guys so much. AMD piece of shit. Strat. Follow me. So thanks for the follow. Kai, what do you want to look at? You tell me. I'm just doing a quick NQ trade right now. End of day trade. Let's see what we're dealing with. Let's see what we're dealing with. Vino, do we have anything up that we're dealing with? I want this Affirm to pop off because I have 20 contracts in this one. A had massive flow. Someone bid $8 million on this guy. This is this guy right here. So let's check. You're loaded up. You're done buying. I think I'm done buying too. I kind of wanted to do an SPX end of day trade, but actually we still can. We still can, folks. Hold on. It did a pullback, didn't it? Yeah, that's a pullback. Okay, 7 minutes. Let's go 3. Let's find a banger for a 3-minute trade. We're at 12:47. We've got 10 minutes. Premium's really cheap right now. All right, SPX. Let's see SPX for next day. How much? January 8th, right? Are we doing it? Are we doing this vinyl? Are we doing it? Should we find another SPX banger? End of the day banger? I think we can, dude. We can go short now, I guess. We can buy puts, but I would buy for the next day. I'm not doing this. The setups are nice, vinyl. Dude, look at that. 6930, 6944. Hey, where are they pinning at? Vinyl on a Gex, on a Gamma. What do you see for SPY? What do you see for SPY? You know what? I'll do SPY swing. Let's do SPY. Jason, I know you're listening. Oh, that's nice. You know what? SPY. I'm gonna do SPY. SPY for tomorrow. Let's do SPY for Friday, the 9th. SPY for Friday. Good bounce. Yeah, let's do SPY for Friday, folks. Here is a level. Here is a level. 4 hours is within my buy target right here. All right, I'm gonna buy a SPY for the 690 for Friday. What up? 693 popping. 691, 690. I'm looking at the options chain right now, so people are asking like, what are you staring at? Yeah, I like this pullback. I'm going for it. I'm gonna get to 690. You say next 693 is popping for Friday. I want to get closer to the money. Do 692. I'm doing 692 for Friday. 692 calls for Friday. Damn, 693 is hot too. How did you 692? Friday, January 9th, 692 calls by 158 average. There we go. That guy. Did it fill? Come on. There we go. It filled. There we go, baby. Tiny Rhino. What's the follow? Thank you, brother. I know. I'm watching it right now. I see it. I see it. Rhino. I see it. Trust me. I see everything. I'm with you in there. 690. 690. Yeah, I'm okay with that trade. We're good. That trade's good. What trade you on the regular? I trade options during the day and futures at night or early in the morning, like right before the market opens. I try to lock out my accounts by Georgina. Thanks for the follow. I try to lock out my accounts by opening. Yeah, man. You just have to trade like that. Tiny Rhino. It's been a good week, dude. It's been a really good week trading in here. I hope a lot of you guys caught it during the day. Did I lose money already? Hey, Courtney, you see that? Filled. We hit target. Bam. Target hit. Levels, baby. Know your structures. Plan your entry. Plan your exit. Captain call out. What is up? We are good. NQ locked. Good hit. Good hit. Great. Our trades were great today, Captain call out. We did crowd first thing in the morning. That gave us 110%. Yeah. RGTI and PLTR did a great push, early push. It gave me 60% on both of them. Just chilling. Credo went too. I didn't get in because I didn't get in for some reason, but we caught Credo. The squad caught that really good. Mm. Yeah, Credo was another name he caught. The chart was perfect, man. Level by level. It's not a bull flag for anyone that wants to catch Credo on the next run. It's end of day already, so you're gonna have to swing this. That's dude. Mater, that's the dude. What kind of business do you do? If you don't mind me asking, you can DM me if you don't like want to go and tell people on here. Pet waste removal. How's that business? Is this for like you go collect it at? I don't even know how you do that. Now I'm intrigued. What's up, Julius? Residential. Oh, yeah, cool. Oh, that's dope. That's cool. Subscription based. I like that. Yeah, isn't it awesome? Like you just like find a time like in the morning first thing before market opens. Like I try to lock in way before that. I try to lock in like the night before, overnight. By the time I go to bed. Am I too late for IWM Vinyl? You screamed that name all day today, and I didn't take any. Dummy me. Rivian. That's gross. Captain call out. You better be washing your hands all the time, my guy. My wife would have a nightmare if I did that job. I don't think she would want me like in the house until like I wash my body outside or something and throw in my clothes. Silver did a dip buy. Silver was a dippy. Our UEC is back green. Our UC is back green. Kia? Thanks for the follow, Kia. Thanks for the likes. All right, it doesn't look like we're gonna do anything like chasing or like last day lotto entry. I like the spy entry. I picked up the just let you guys know. Actually, I should call her in the room too. Let them know. Spy. What did I buy? 692 calls. There we go. That's it, really. I only bought Spy at the end of the day. How are you, Kia? How is your Wednesday? Do you trade? Captain, that's good. You're the boss, so you just tell other people to do that mess. I just want to chill at home all day and just vibe on here and just find good trades for you guys. All right, let's find the next trade at NQ. So that was a good hit. It's a good hit and run. $116,260 IWM. Cool, yeah. Auditor. What kind of auditor? I have to ask what kind of auditor you mean. I've heard stories about auditor. I've done retail before. I had auditors. They were like mean for some reason. I don't know why. Accountant? Damn, girl, you gotta you gotta do money. You know how hard that shit is? Or at least I like making money on here, but don't audit me. That's cool. I'm glad you got to work at home. Oh, you're dude. I wish you luck. You got this, dude. And we can just chill all day and just trade on here and captain. We stay on here and just trade all day. That's my goal. Actually, I don't mind my business at all. I don't mind my schedule. I work from home, so I'm just remote. I just check emails during the day and see if something pops up for my name. If I need to work on a project, I'll work on a project, and I'm out. And I'm just staring at this. Do you guys see anything else for the end of the day swing? When did I do this note? 252 calls? January 16th? Dude, Vinyl, you see this? I didn't even know I had to. Okay, cool. Well, this one hit. I just want to see how much they're worth now. It was 380 a contract, right? Cut under 248. It's like 380 contract for the 16th. Let's just check how much they're worth now. They are worth $5.30. So those 380 contracts that I called out, they're worth $5.30 right now. I know we hit so good. Wow. Jason, did you follow this trade? What should you buy right now? Terrible question, bro. I would love for you to rephrase that question. Nice Transport, welcome to the club. What should you buy right now? Do you want to lose money or make money? I'm just surprised. Like, I pull up a chart and I have a note right here, exactly what we did. But yeah, whoever followed this contract and call out, I did. I got you, Riza. Follow me. You got me. You're up $200 per contract right in here, and you still have 2 weeks left. You're welcome. It's if you want to buy something right now, I don't mind. Crowd is a little bit expensive. I think you have time to get into Credo. This guy right here, CRDO, Riza, CRDO. Check it out. You caught that short? I caught the dip right here. I got this leg right here. From the opening orb high, low to opening orb high. Entry to line. That's it. I caught that and that was it. But yeah, the rest of the team, they were shorting from like up from this. I hope Brody caught some of that too. Tiny, thanks. I'll chat with you on in the Discord for a little bit. And we are close. Let's see what it looks like. So what I like to do is I'll pull up my watch list and see which made money and held money today. And then that will be the tickers I will pay attention to overnight. And by pre-market, I will pay attention to those tickers again to see where they land overnight. And then those will be on my watch list tomorrow morning for entry. Software killed it today. Nice, Nifty. Dude, we got to trade together. Do you stream as well or just like, I don't know. I know, who was that? You said Whisper, right? He's streaming. Does he stream? Yeah, we do everything. We do a tidbit of everything. Here. I know you guys have your own Discord, but I'm always down to share stuff, knowledge of other people. No point to gatekeep. We all have different strategies, right? Yeah, so this is the doctor. I call him the doc. Probably the same stuff you guys do. Nothing crazy. Dave, thanks for following, man. Yeah, man, we just gotta, it's all knowledge. We're here to make money off the market. It's an income. Share the knowledge. I'm glad that you guys use the 113 as well. You came in, you're like, is that the 113 EMA? I'm like, how you know that? No one knows that though. Nobody knows that. And then you came in with them like, God damn it, how? That's wild. How do you trading view up here? You see my arrow? Right up here. I'm doing circles right here. It has the template. No, shit, wrong one. I'm sorry. Oh, I'm retarded. Sorry, Joshua. Right here, right here. I was tricked. It should be next to your name or like a default thing. You click on this, and you have multiple templates you can use on TradingView. Because it's TikTok screen, I don't want to do like my usual like 9 layers of screens. I do that on the ultra wide. Hey, Vine, I'll catch you later, man. Have a good day. We'll talk tonight on Discord and then see what's tomorrow. Good trade today, dude. Great trade today. I got you, Joshua. Yeah. So J13, thanks for the follow. Kia, I just saw your question. Do you live trade every day? I live trade from opening. I'm West Coast. I'm Cali time, so I'm on here at by 6:30. Sometimes like 6:45. I'm like tired as fuck. But yeah, wake up by 5:30. Do cardio, do a little pre-prep, and then I jump on stream for 2 hours, 3 hours max. I'll get off and I'll come back on like now-ish before closing, just to see if I can catch anything in the flow, in the options flow for a swing, or maybe a potential sneaky little play. Thanks for all. Yeah, Arizona. So I find that by the time I'm getting off from my early morning stream, Arizona and West Coast people are hopping on here. I'm like, oh, these are my West Coast folks jumping online right now. I'm about to hop off. I gotta stay a little bit longer next time so I can like meet people. Nifty, you caught Nifty today, and thanks for dropping by, man. Appreciate that. You probably saw that 113 title and you're like, what the fuck? 113? Who's this guy? I gotta bait people in with 113. They're like, what the fuck is 113? My strategy. Ernesto, what's up, Ernesto? Cali too? Cali rep, Bay Area rep. Yes, yeah, for sure. You're like, who's this guy? Nobody knows. Question. My strategy. Someone asked about my strategy. Joshua, my strategy. I don't have like, there's no name for my strategy at all. I'm just be like frank, right? If you were, let's take off his lines. Remove. My strategy, you can call it like, I use the Fibonacci. I use the channels, and I use the 113 EMA. You can name it whatever, I guess, but that's my strategy. Kia, yeah, take your time. Thanks for the follow, Mr. H Day Trader. How long have you been trading? Since COVID, 2019. I learned it the hard way, if you guys really want to know. I jumped in, didn't know shit, because I saw, Instagram and Twitter people blasting off their P&Ls nonstop. Hey, thanks for the heart me, SoCal. Appreciate that. Join the fan club, right? Is that the TikTok thing? Like join the fan club? Like that's my team thing. But yeah, 2019. I just follow alerts. I just bought alerts because they're just showing off the P&L bullshit all the time. Like I want to make that much money just following you. That is the dumbest way to learn how to trade and make money, because you will lose a lot of fucking money. A lot of money, dude. From 2019 to now, do you wish you could have done this sooner? I wish that I knew my current self back then. I wish that I knew the current people I work with in the Discord now back then, because these people, my friends on Discord, my traders, my leaders, they're smart, like down to earth, like realistic people. If I like Investing, yeah, I wish I could. I knew about investing. Man, I have Asian parents. They don't know how to like. They don't know about the stock market and trading. All they did was they wanted me to be a doctor, a lawyer, or something. I graduate as a criminal justice degree person that obviously I'm not using. Not a cop. I work. I'm a video producer. That's my technical name for my corporate world. Uh, well, this is my side income. Yeah, man. This is my side income that I make a living off of it. Well, and please, for new traders, don't assume like trading is all about making money and being rich. No, man. Trading is about investing in yourself, investing in your future, and you just take it slow. There's no get rich program out there. But if you get good, you keep sharpening your knife. You get better and better, and you just look at this chart right away, and you know exactly what to do. That's how you do it. Dude, it's fucking rough. Nifty, honestly, how much money you lost in the beginning? You can DM me if you don't want to tell me. I'll whisper it to you guys. I lost over $100,000 the first 2 years. Following alerts. I didn't know any strategies. I didn't know any charts. I just waited for. Dude, you beat me, man. Well, technically, yeah, you did beat me. But I don't want to win that situation, but I won that situation, right? But yeah, don't do that, man. No, I didn't. I did quit. I stepped away. I stepped away. I paper traded, and I figured out my own strategies. I learned from the charts, the technicals. I just learned every day. Paper trade. I watched the market. I watched just watching this, right? And then one day, the 113. I'm just messing around lines, right? I'm just randomly messing around lines, and the 113 pop up. I'm like, yeah, why not? And then I've been using 113 every single fucking day of my life. Like, if you take everything away, just give me the 113 line. I can trade that. If it's like one trade a day or one trade a week, I'll put my money all on that 113 line. Deep Blue, thanks for the follow, man. Yeah, relying on others, and when I started educating, wasn't really ready. Yeah, man, it's so dumb. I'm so dumb. I don't know, fucking dumb. Yeah, yeah, it's a loss. It's like, okay, just keep this in mind. Like, you will lose money to make money. This is not like, oh shit, follow him, make money. You can follow my education. You can follow any of us like to like know our trading strategy. We'll help you as much as possible. But it's up to you to like be patient and learn it to understand it. That's all I can help you out with. Like when you guys scream out a chart that you guys want me to level and like take a look at, I'll be happy to help you guys level that, like chart it out. I love charting. My chart's super simple. Sometimes it's crazy right now because like it's nonstop like attack mode. Like this is attack mode today. This is a great fucking call out right here. Crowd 480 calls January 16th, waiting for a pullback to 465. We didn't get that pullback. We got like a $10 pullback. I jumped in and that went up 110%. I'm like, cool. PayPal, someone hopped into PayPal. I mean, someone hopped on the stream earlier today. It's like, hey, what does PayPal look like? And I looked at it. I'm like, it looks like shit. But if you were to buy it, and I just drew it out for him. I went 4 hours. I fibbed it for him. Saw the golden zone. Saw a volume node on. Saw the volume shelf on a daily interval. Right here, this guy. Hopefully it pops up. Did I close that? No, it should be there. This is a level that it needs to hold. And I told him like, hey, if it's under $58, I would cut my options. But I took the entry with him. Well, at least I did because it kind of looked nice after it looks like shit. So I bought it down here, off the lower end of the golden zone. That's the Fibonacci levels for whoever asked earlier about my levels and strategy and stuff like that. How did I learn recharts? Just stare at it. Like there's basic like stuff you should understand, like what you're looking at, like the candle, red or green, or like for me is white and blue. And then I have the volume profile. This will tell you like how much. Just to make this simple for a volume profile, just imagine a bunch of people are here waiting to sell and buy. A bunch of people are here waiting to sell and buy. And if those bunch of people are more buyers than sellers, You get out of this level and you move on to the next level. It's like imagine it's like a video game, right? Steps. Same thing. If it goes up, you gotta pay attention. Like if you didn't see any of this shit right here, let me move over. So now, like, we don't know the future, right? And you're looking at this, you're like, where can it go next? So if we're here, right? Imagine we're here. Let me show. If we're here, and you're like, where can it go next? I'm gonna be like, well, the next target would be here. If this level holds, the next target would be here. And look what it did. It moved to this target. It chilled here for a little bit. Then it decided buyer stepped in and it wanted to push the price higher up, step by step. White and blue, yeah, we get out the red and green. Get out of here. I don't need I don't need no Christmas color. I like my color scheme. Do new traders when they like freak out on a red week or red day or like whatever red day, whatever the fuck, right? Because we had like crazy stupid red days because of Mr. President loves to like tweet, right? Yeah, this leg down right here. I told everyone, the new traders, I'm like, just turn your charts like upside down or just recolor your candles to like white and blue or some shit so they're less stressful. Because new traders, they don't understand, like, don't threat on me. Thanks for the follow. Bill, thanks for the follow. They don't understand like the color can affect your trading too. No, it's just like preference, brother. Ernesto. Like, look, would this make you happy looking at this? Like, you're okay. Like, you're like, if you look at this chart, like, you're brand new, like, you're like, oh, cool, nice. White and blue, right? Let's say if, let's just have a little fun chat. Canvas, is it canvas? No, symbols, body. Okay. If I turn this back to red. So red means down, right? I'm not going to apply it all. Does that make you mad? Like, look at the chart. Realistically, you're like trading, right? Does that make you mad? Like mad? Right? Thanks for the follow, Mariana. Let's have some fun talk. Yeah. Xbago, yeah, they don't like the new traders. They don't have patience. Like, once you start losing a lot of money, you learn how to be patient. I would think red is bad news. Exactly, right? So new traders, first thing I tell them, like, if you can, change the color of your chart, your candles to like white and green, white and blue, or like white and purple, whatever, right? Because when I look at this, I'm like, all those red will stand out more, and it will just mess up your mind. Another trick that I tell them, let's zoom in on the SPY daily. Wait, can I check NQ first and see if I have an entry? If I can answer anywhere right now for, hold on, give me a second. Let's see if we can answer NQ for anywhere. What time is it? 1:16. I don't mind answering. You know what? I will set a. Nifty, you want to do this one? I will set a buy right here. The level is, hold on, close this out so you can see better. 8:16. Take profit off target 336. Stop loss slightly underneath the channel break, but we might not even get this close, but who knows? I'm gonna set a buy. Okay, set and forget it. That's the cool thing about TradingView. It's connected to my TradeOvate. I just set my limit, buy and sell, and just walk away. Not to Carson. No, that was yesterday, bro. Dude, I have for those evals. So I couldn't lose money, and like I try my fucking best to lose $2,200 yesterday. The funny thing is, guys, so yesterday, my new evals I set up, I was over like by $2,500 or some shit like that, and then and you know, evals has consistency, right? So I wanted to bring it back down, and I was trying to lose money on purpose, and I freaking couldn't do it at all. That was the funny part. I was dying. I'm like, the other guys in the chat were like, dude, I don't know what you do, how to help you out. Like, losing money is like, when you get to winning, losing money for futures is like hard to do. You want to get 500 gold drawdown? What'd you trade today? What'd you take? Dude, yeah, on purpose. Yeah, it was not working, man. I was so mad. I'm like, you know what? I'm just gonna go with it and see what they tell me to do. So I gotta push the eval profit to like 9,000. I'm at 7 right now, so that's nothing. I can do that tomorrow. So I'll bring the consistency back down to 40. I just want to add more accounts, man. I love copy trading. Just add more accounts. I don't trade crypto. Like the only crypto name I all trade is like MSTR. Doesn't really count. God damn it. You can't do that, man. I'm sorry. Hopefully we make it back. Carson, let's make that back, dude. Yeah, it's crazy. Like I was like, I'm like my buddy Gator, and he's like, did you lose enough? I'm like, nope. I'll just take the consistency bullshit and make more. No reason. I just don't know crypto. I guess like I can do crypto. They're all charts, right? In the end of the day, they're just charting. Oh yeah, that's right. You have Apex. You got Apex, dude. You need to. There's all the good props out there, but let's reverse it for you. Let's bring it back up. Okay, I want to see a quick drop down to the 618. But if the orb low line holds, I will flip this. Right now on NQ, we're still in that downtrend channel. I won't go long until this flips. So if it clears 841, I'll flip long. If it clears the orange line, I definitely flip long and just go. Right now I'm in nothing. My limit isn't in. It didn't fill. I have a set limit buy right here at 815. I was just showing an example. Someone asked about like trading on here. What concepts are generally essential to understand when using EMA strategies? So in like EMA will be shorter term, right? So EMAs, I don't know the technical behind it. It's like if you see, let me zoom out. Let's keep this on screen, for example. I want to remove a lot of this stuff so you can see. Let's remove the fib. Let's remove, let's blindside this stuff. I'll leave the volume on, right? Xylon, thanks for the follow, guys. Hidden Balance, thanks for the follow. For EMA, you gotta find out which lines that works out for you, right? So if you want to write some notes down right now, some good lines for EMA to start off with is the 9 EMA. This is a red line, 9. So I always say to my friends, to the people in there, I'm like, hey, ride the 9 until it breaks. When you're in a long or even a short, if it clears a 9 and it holds it, ride the 9, 9. Scammers, until it breaks. Underneath that, I have the red in the green line. That is a 20 EMA. So that's my buffer zone. So if I'm trading NQ on the way up, or if I'm trading NQ, I'm not gonna like. I have a target anyways. So let's imagine this is like an option, right? You would take you would trim at certain levels that you have on your fib. So I would just stay in this trade at each level for a trim, and make sure that if it stays above the 9, I'm in. If it breaks below the green, I'll start shorting it out. I mean, like closing out your contracts. But once the red line and the green line intersect, like crosses down over it, that means I'm in a short-term bearish move. So I would just go puts from here. Then same way, you would just ride the 9. So you'll start to learn like different lines will react differently. I use the 13 to 113 this line the most. Yeah. 6, 7, 8. Yeah. How's the 4 hour looking? Here's my 4 hour. Yeah, we're at the golden zone on 4 hour as well. This is a good buy. Like this level holds 831. You can go long on NQ, MNQ too if you're micros. If you're doing evals, just do MNQ or MES. Don't do NQs yet. That's how you pass. Cream, thanks for the follow. What time does the market close? The options closed like 22 minutes ago. Futures, futures maintenance coming up in like 40 minutes. Yeah, 40 minutes. And then they'll shut it down for an hour. And they'll come back on. Yeah. Oh yeah. Most props you can't trade right now. I'm in Tradify, so they don't close. They lock up by 2 o'clock. Did I miss any questions? I want to make sure I answer questions before I get out of here. Oh, yeah. Omni-Man. What strategy is your email? I want to know. Do I trade Tesla? We trade Tesla sometimes. Yeah. My link is in my check out my profile. Just apply. I talk to everyone that applies. I want to make sure like you're actually legit and you want to learn and you just not an alert chaser. Because we don't sell alerts. We don't want people just asking like, what should I buy next? What should I buy next? Like the first whoever like if you jump into a stream and the first question is, what do I buy next? I'm just gonna be upfront with you. I'm like, what do you see? Like if you can't read a chart and you don't know what is up and what is down, I'm just gonna be like, nah. Take your time, learn. I promise you, it's a good payback later on. Xbagel was laughing, right? You know, it's true. Like I think Jason was in this room once. Like they hopped in. Yeah, floor traders, they're fucking smart. They know all the secrets, dude. Like for myself, I'm still learning from all of the top traders in the room. Like they're smart motherfuckers in there. Like we have so many different strategies, right? We have some of them they sell puts, sell calls, vertical spreads, condors, like names that I'm like, what is happening right now? I'm a naked kind of guy most of the time. I'm like, naked calls, I'm good. Huh? I forgot. I set a slow mode in my Discord for people for 15 seconds. They're like crying about it. Spammers, dude. Dude, I want to learn debit and verticals and all that, like other strategy as a hedge. Because Titan, one of the top traders that we have, he's fucking genius in here. He's like, he'll just call it out. It's like, hey, I'm gonna hedge this play by pinning like SPX at this level, and he'll give out like a buy and a sell for his for the calls contract, and then in like 30 minutes, he's like, this hit like 60% trim. I'm like, damn it, should have learned that from you faster. Yeah, supply and demand. Everybody has their own way, right? For me, I guess you can say supply and demand are my nodes, my volume profile. There you go, Carson. Yeah, I got to do that. I just have to get into it. Still got to learn that. It's going to be fun. I'm learning every day. It's cool. Trading's fun when you're making money. When you're losing in a red market day, like a red week, red days, just walk away. Because most time you have contracts. If you're doing options, right, you have contracts that are like weeks out or months out. Just fucking relax, man. Just walk away. Like newer traders, what they don't understand, like they bought like contracts a month out, like 3 months out, and we have like 1 or 2 red days. So it's, for example, Amazon, right? Amazon likes to be bitch like that. They panic, dude. Like they see the red portfolio and they just panic sell everything. I'm like, dude, your contracts are expiring in 2 months. This is 1 day of red. Damn, X Bagel, I gotta find out how you do it. You gotta teach me, man. It's some of the stuff like you can't really teach. It's just you can't even explain it in words to like new people, right? As much as I want to explain things, you just can't. It's just like, how do you recharge? That's like a question that I can never answer. I just can. Like I just fucking can. I don't know. Crypto. My cousin's in crypto. He was a early Bitcoin buyer. He bought them at like $20 each. Yeah, when he told me about crypto, like Bitcoin, I was like, dude, it's fake money. Like, what do you mean buy digital money in a digital wallet? That was my answer. Like, I was really talking to him like that. I'm like, dude, what? I'm not putting money in something like I can't hold. It's not tangible. Like, I'm spending on codes, like 0 and 1s, right? And then look, prove me wrong. So fucking dumb. They're so fucking dumb. I didn't buy any though. Supplies and demands, Jason. Um, See these red boxes, fair value gap. Let's zoom in. You do 5 minutes. Less boxes. You wild. XRP, just buy it, Ernesto. I see a lot of people getting XRT as well. XBA with the follow. Thanks, brother. I hear the baby waking up. I gotta put my kids to take a nap, guys. I'm way over past my bedtime right now talking to you guys. As much as I want to be on here and talk to you guys all day long. You got XRP at 20. Isn't it like $2 right now? I just looked at it. Dude, you're rich as fuck. Yeah, that's a good price, dude. No, bedtime for the kids, the toddlers. I got 2 boys, 3 and 5. They just ate lunch. So after lunch, we wash up, then we'll take a nap. I don't think this NQ is gonna fill for me. I'm just gonna wait until overnight. Play with Asians. They like to dump and then rip. Those Asians, I swear. Yeah, Gilly. Yeah. So yeah, to tag along with Nifty, right? You can look at supply and demand as the same thing as like fair value gaps, right? When you have a fair value gap, and they have awesome indicators on TV for as well. Gilly, what old are you, man? You got nap time too? Look at you. I gotta do more work after this. Okay, I hear the kids screaming in the background. All right, squad, my 113 folks, I love you all. Thank you for stopping by and just chatting and vibing. Appreciate everyone following me as well. What are the bars on the right? These guys, right? Volume profile. And you will get that. Let me pull it up so you can actually search for it and add it to your indicator. This guy right here. VRVP. Yeah, you can call it that. Yeah. Thanos. Thanks. Good job, man. ICT. Dude, honestly, Nifty, like everything that comes up. This guy's hilarious. Oh, the mom's screaming at the kids now. Guys, I really gotta go, okay? Chat with me later. I'll be on tomorrow morning. Too early for you West Coast people, but hopefully I can catch you guys like midday or end of day stock market. Dude, yep, the mom's yep, gotta go. Peace out, guys. I'll see you guys. All right.